Right, next we're going to create a menu system that'll be displayed across the top of the website. So if we have a look at our website, so we go here, go to visit site, the home page is displayed, but normally you'd have a menu system displayed across the top here. So we'll go and create that now. So I'll go to the back end, and this time we go to Appearance, then Menus. Now the first thing we have to do is give the menu a name, so I'll just call it, I'll just simply call it Menu, keep it simple. So I'll click on here to create menu. Then what we need to do is to move all of these over to the menu. It's probably safer to go to View All and then click on Select All. So this selects all our pages and we want to add these to the menu. So I click on Add Menu. You'd think that would be it, but no. You then have to go and click on where it says Primary and then click on Save Menu. Now with a little bit of luck, this menu will be displayed across the top. So this will be displayed first, so home page, then About It, then Contact Us, then FAQs. Notice home page shows up twice, then Services, then Sitemap. So let's go and fix this problem with the home page, which is rather annoying. So click on the down arrow here, click on Remove. So now we see home page, About, Contact Us, FAQs, Services, and Sitemap. So let's click on Save Menu. Now let's go to the front end by going here and then clicking on Visit Site. And now we see the menu here. So if I click on About, Contact Us, FAQs, Services, and Sitemap. So we have got a menu system that's working, but it's not really in the right order. Normally you'd have Contact Us at the end and what have you. So let's go back to the dashboard, go back to Appearance, Menus, and we want to reorder this. So you can probably guess what's going to happen here. I want Contact Us down the bottom here. So what do? I move over it until the cursor changes from this to that, press down the mouse button, keep it held down, and just simply drag it down. So I've got the home page first, then About, then FAQs. Maybe I want Services before FAQs. So we'll go with that. And at the moment it displays the words home page. So if I click on the down arrow here and change the navigation label to maybe just home, I'll just look neater. So we'll click on Save Menu. Now if we go and look at the front end, sure enough we've got the home page there, just one, not the duplicate that we saw. We've got Contact Us at the end, and it's all looking a little bit neater now. Let's just make sure they still work. So visually it's looking horrible, but it is at least functional. We'll worry about the visuals in a minute. I mean, for instance, there's no pictures, and the great thing about the World Wide Web, the www, is you can have text and pictures. So it's all looking a bit bare at the moment, and you'll notice there's this big empty area on all the pages here as well. You see this? On each page, got this big empty area, so we'll go and fix that in a minute as well. But that's how you sort out the menus. Remember, if you want to adjust the menus, you go to here, Dashboard, Appearance, Menus, and from there you can sort of rearrange things, rename things. So for instance, if you just wanted the word Contact instead of Contact Us, you click on the down arrow there, and where it says navigation label, you can just get rid of the word Us, close it back up again, save your changes, and then if we go and look at this now, we'll just say Contact. So really the items in the menu you want as short as possible, so that they, the last thing you want is the menu sort of having to sort of go over 2 lines. That looks really messy. So keep every individual menu item as short as possible, basically, like so.